Hi everybody, I'm Solo Cut. Today I thought we'd do something a little different, and we're gonna learn block printing from my fellow artist, Zebs.
Hey, I'm Zebs. You can find me at Animator Zebs on TikTok. Now when you're gonna hold it, kind of like that, you're gonna hold it like this, make sure your fingers are on the board. And instead of you turning it, you're going to turn it. So when you're doing your flower, you're turning it with your hand. And make sure you're always cutting away from you. What I want you to do is get a feel of what it's like. This is a lot softer. I don't know how the different things do, but you can see just a little scratch. Just a little bit of pressure.
Now, before you start cutting any linoleum, you're going to need to come up with a design. Now that you have your design, we need a way to transfer to the linoleum. So to do that, you're going to want to take tracing paper, put that over your design, and with a charcoal pencil, you're going to want to trace your design, but you need to make sure your line work is thick. Now that you have your design on your linoleum, now we can begin cutting. Throw down some ink, roll it out, slap it on some paper, and you're done.